So the new king of rideshare may be Didi very, very soon. So this is an exclusive. Didi lines up 2021 IPO in Hong Kong, targets more than $60 billion valuation, sources say. China's top ride-hailing firm Didi Xuxing is considering Hong Kong for a multi-billion-dollar initial public offering next year, dropping previous aims to list in New York amid rising Sino-US tensions, people with knowledge of the matter said. Didi, backed by technology investment giant SoftBank, Alibaba, and Tencent, has started initial talks with investment banks for the long-awaited IPO. According to three people, it's looking to formally appoint lead banks for the float in the coming months, two of them said. The people spoke on condition of anonymity, as the information, including the identity of the banks, was private. The people said Didi is targeting a valuation of more than $60 billion by the time of IPO launch, expected as soon as in the first half of 2021. Founded 8 years ago, Didi began generating healthy profit in the second quarter of this year, and some investors are now keen to cash in. Didi is also considering a new fundraising round ahead of the IPO in a bid to boost its valuation. Two of the people said in the private secondary market, some of its shares are trading well below a valuation of $56 billion it reached in 2017. The new timetable for the IPO and the private fundraising round ahead of it have not been reported before. Asked by Reuters to comment, Didi said it doesn't have any definitive IPO plan or timeline. The people familiar with the matter cautioned the IPO plan could change due to market conditions. The plan also comes after Didi walked away from talks on merging with domestic rival Meituan, according to four separate sources, amid disagreement on the valuation of the merged business and management lines. These four people declined to be identified because the information was private. Meituan declined to comment. Didi said it had not engaged in any merger discussion with Meituan. Transfer from Manhattan Didi, which merged with then main rival Kuadi in 2015 to create a smartphone-based transport service giant, counts as its core business a mobile app where users can hail taxi, private-owned cars, carpool options, and even buses in some cities. That's the logo over there. So let's see how they give Uber a run for their money now. Shout out to Kova. You can get a gift of 1 month free from me if you sign up with the link below. What is Kova? It is the gig protection plan for the gig industry, right? It starts at $7 a month. It covers all the rideshare companies. You should have your auto insurance. You should have your medical insurance, and it's very important to go out there and get yourself a gig protection plan. They start at around $7 per month, right? Tons of benefits, especially if you get deactivated or so. They have a legal arm called LegalRideshare that goes out there for you. Here, one of the services on LegalRideshare.com is deactivation. So as they mentioned there with Kova, that's their partner. Kova has retained LegalRideshare to write letters for its members demanding that gig companies promptly reactivate your account, right? So when Uber and Lyft get a legal letter, you have way more chance getting back into the front seat and can continue driving again. Now, the services that LegalRideshare offers, if you get injured, they go after the insurance company. If you have property damage, car damage, they will handle your insurance claims process. If you are losing wages because you're in hospital or your car is broken or in the workshop, they will go after the insurance companies. So it's really important you have the COVA gig protection plan, and in case things go wrong, you actually have a great law firm to call in Chicago. Have a great day, and please share your input on the IPO, the Didi IPO in 2021.